Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I've had a box delivered, multi-zero already, look, and this is from Glynis Greenwood, and Glynis has sent me quite a few parcels, and she emails me all the time. We email each other. She's wonderful. She's an absolutely wonderful lady for chatting to as well on emails. I'm going to open this up now. She did say there's some treats in here for Molly. Now, Glynis has been having a clear out and she's been sending what she doesn't want to me. Cut this open. Oh, you're looking to see what Auntie Glynis has sent you. Oh, there's Muttley having a look. Are you having a look? We'll turn it so you can see. There's Muttley. Right, let me open it up. Eh? He always likes when Auntie Glynis sends him things. So do I. Oh my. Look at this. Look at this. I'll move it then while he's having a little look. You having a look? Huh? Is that? You seen what she sent me? What are you looking for? Right, we'll take the card out because Glynis always sends me a card as well. I'll open this up. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, it's a choo-choo train. So she says that she's put a treat in for Muttley. Look at all this blue yarn, it's beautiful. Oh, it's got all these bags. Oh. Look, she sent you some treats. Do you want one? You've not had your lunch yet, so we can give Muttley one because he hasn't had his lunch. And he's patiently waiting. He's also got rubbish all over my floor there from a bag that he was playing with. Oh, look, Auntie Glennie sent you treats. I'll put them there out the way. Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? The paw. Right, show everybody what you can do. Right, the paw. Good boy. And your other paw. High five. Clever boy. There you go. There you are. That'll keep him busy for a little bit. So we'll just centre in on this bag. Look at this. This is beautiful. Oh, there's a bag there. This is Sardar Country Style. It's a wool blend. It's really soft. The colour of it's beautiful. It's just a shade number. There's no more. No. You've had one. You've had one. No, not getting any more. You've had one. You've had one. The shade is 0476. That is so soft. This is a 50-gram ball. 40% nylon, 30% wool and 30% acrylic. So it's a little wool and acrylic sort of mix. It's got 170 yards in it. If you're into the yardage, this is really soft. It smells lovely. It smells lovely. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got my basket down here. I'll pop these into my basket. You stay out the basket. You not to go in the basket. I'll turn that around, it's got an address on it. There's a couple here, but don't worry, I've got a wool winder. I can roll those up. And that one's got 2 strands together, but it doesn't matter. We can fix that. It's amazing. Thank you so much, Glynis. That is beautiful. I love the smell of it. So there's a little bag here. So we'll have a look in this bag. Oh, look. Oh, look at the dinky little balls. Oh, look at these. These are lots of dinky little... Muttley, there's no more for you. These are lots of little dinky balls of cotton. Look at that. These are going to be brilliant for making a little blanket. All these colours. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. So pretty. I'm trying to see, and my eyes are just, the writing's just a little bit too small. But these would be great for making little face scrubbies. Look at all of these. Thank you so much, Glynis. There's lots of them. Look at these. And there's another one there. All different colours. I'll pop them in. And we'll pop that aside. Muttley will probably finish the bag. So I've given that bag to Muttley. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's pretty. Baby snuggly. Oh, that's so pretty. That is so pretty. And it's really, really soft. This is so, so soft. It's 100% polyester. My goodness. Oh, there's another little bag of treats. Oh, thank you so much, Glynis. Molly's going to love it. He's already eaten up that other one. That is brilliant. Oh, this feels so nice. And there's another one. This is a hobby yarn. Never ordered anything off of Hobby. I need to do that. There's 100 grams in this. That's 3.5 ounces. 120 metres, that's 131 yards. And the noise you can hear in the background is Muttley. He's got that bag that Glynis had in here. That is so pretty. It's so squishy. That's really squishy and soft. And there's blue ones as well. Oh, there's a couple of blue ones. Now this one says colour 7. There wasn't a colour on that other one. And this one here. But don't worry about it being like that. I can still use it like that. This one's got blue and grey. It's got different shades of blue and it's got grey in it. It's going to crochet up beautiful. That's beautiful. It's so soft. Can't get over how soft that is. It's really soft. Put that down there. Amazing amounts of yarn. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this one. It's a cookie. Oh, that's pretty. It's just a number on it. 46206. Try to see who's done it. There's no other name on it. That is pretty though. Look at the colours in that. That's so pretty. It's nice and soft. Can't believe how soft it is. So soft. Look at that noise Muttley's making. I'll put that down there. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, look at this. A Merano blend 4-ply superwash wool. Now, superwash means that you can wash it in your washing machine on a wool wash and it shouldn't shrink. 50 grams. It says the shade is 46 and it says Aran. It's a 4-ply. It's not an Aran yarn, it's quite a thin yarn, but there's more than one. So we can always double that up. It's so pretty. There's another one there. That's so pretty. And there's 50 grams in that. 100% superwash wool. There's 180 metres in it and it's 50 grams. That's 204 yards. So soft though, it's so soft. It's really, really soft. I like the colour of that pink down there. That's so pretty. How about these little ones? Oh, look at these. Dolly Mixtures double knitting. This is from King Cole. It's little 25-gram balls. So pretty. Look at those. So delicate colours. I love all these little delicate peach colours. That's so pretty. I'll pop these ones down. The yellow's called Primrose, and then we've got 2 white, and there is 2 blush. So pretty. That's so soft as well. Very soft this is, Muttley. It's soft. Very soft, Muttley. He just gave up with his bag. Oh, this is really pretty. This is called Monet and it's Stylecraft. My goodness. Look at the colours in that. Now it says this one's called Poppy Field. Look at that. That's so pretty. Feels like a cotton. It's 50% premium acrylic and 50% cotton. It's a little cotton mix. It's so nice. That's lovely. Make a lovely hat. So pretty. Needing some gloves. I need to make myself some gloves. It's getting really cold here. I feel like Glynis, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. There's 100 grams in each of these. It doesn't say that much else about it. You have to use... I can't read it. The writing's too small. Glynis, thank you so much. And we've got this one here. This is Deramore Studio Anti-Piling Double Knitting. See if we can open this up and take a ball out. Muttley, no doubt, will be away with the bag. Oh, that's so soft. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're so generous, Glynis. So generous. This is beautiful. It is so soft. It really is. It's beautiful. The colour on this one, if there is a colour, nope, it's just a number. Oh, it is. It's called Rose. Rose 705.7. That's so pretty. I'm not trying to get his paw into the box. Do you want the box? Do you want the box? You're going to come and say hello to Aunt Glynis. Up you come. Up. There. Say hello. You coming up? Well, put that there. You coming up? Come on in. Come on in. Up you come. Oh, you having a look in the box? Oops. Are you having a look? You can smell those treats in there, can't you? You can smell the treats. You can. Right, down you go. He's had a sniff in the box. He's happy now. Glynis, this is absolutely beautiful. I love the colour on that. Are you giving me your ball to put in the box? Oh, he's giving me his ball. Give me it. He's giving me the ball. It's in the box. It's in the box. The ball's in the box. It's in the box. See? Where's the ball? The ball's in the box. Oh, it's in the box. You're going to put it in the box. Hide your ball in the box. You want me to put it in the box? Okay, I'll put it in the box. Where's the box? Where is it? This is what he does. He puts his ball inside the box and he plays with it for ages. That's it. Right, down you go just now. There's a good boy. Come on. You can put it underneath there. Right, there you go. What I'll do is I'll take this out. Glynis, thank you so much. This is absolutely, this is beautiful. I love the colour on it, and I will certainly make something with this. I've got a lot more time on my hands. I've got a lot more time on my hands now, so we're going to get. You're going to get a lot more blankets really soon. So thank you very much, Glynis. I really do appreciate this. I really do appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please subscribe to my channel. And if you click on the bell icon, then YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, Glynis, once again, thank you so much. So until the next time, happy Christmas, everyone. I mean, we're in the middle of December already, and I don't think we'll have very many happy meals until after Christmas with the Christmas holidays. But if you are having a de-stash over the Christmas holidays, then just drop me an email. If you want someone to send it to, then I can do a video of it and put it up on the channel. And I do share out a lot of the yarn as well. So just give me an email, and then if you're having a clear out before you get all your new yarn from Santa, then just let me know. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.